Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to exit fast boot mode on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone. Just like that. Now when the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished booting and it has exited fast boot mode. And this is how to exit fast boot mode on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.